Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back with another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make this new EDX track stay. So the final result will sound like this.
How do you wanna stay?
So if you want the presets right away, make sure to check Future Selection from 2. Both presets are coming from the pack. So together they sound like this, with a bass line and a pluck top end. So now let's make it from scratch. First we're gonna make the bass line. So selecting a preset, we're gonna go over the triangle wavetable in the basic shapes for the bass line. Put it up 7 semitones to get a more harmonic feel that we hear a lot in those EDX kind of style tracks. Then we're gonna make a second oscillator. I'm gonna use the saw around with the square. Lower down 1 octave. And route envelope 2 to the wavetable position. Just one here. Later on we're gonna shape the envelope. Then we're gonna select FM from A to around here. Just to get more character into the bass line. Then we're gonna add some filtering because the bass is too gritty right now. So low 24, cutoff quite low, some drive, and fatness. And route envelope 2 to the cutoff to around halfway. So now it's time to shape the envelope. So decay around 500, sustain around here, and quite some release. Add some mono to avoid overlapping notes in the bass line. And that's it for oscillator, so now let's dive into effects. First we're gonna add some OTT to it, just to open up the bass line a bit more. So put up a gain quite a bit. And add some hyperdimension, just to give a wider perception of the bass line. We're gonna add some Diode 2 distortion. Just gonna hear this really makes a difference in the bass line. So not that much around here with envelope 2 to it. So just like this. It's a bit too heavy, so we're gonna add another filter. Low 24 again. Shape it kinda similar to the previous one. Just something like this. Now we're gonna boost the high ends a little bit of the bass line with an envelope. Just add some more punch to it as well. Shape it, I guess, to around 300, so boosting the mids as well. Then some chorus with a high pass filter for this effect, so just one here. Some reverb to the top end of the bass line, so put it with low cut. And lower down the mix. And that's it for bass line. So now we're gonna make the pluck sound, sounding like this. So we're gonna select inner presets. So the most important part of the sound is the noise oscillator. We're gonna use a noise from the Future Selection pack, sounding this. So we're gonna enable both knobs so we can use it at the keyboard. We're gonna put it up 1 octave. Lower on the level and route envelope 2 to it. It's just an envelope with no sustain and some release. Now we're gonna shape the oscillators. We're gonna go for the Uno wavetable. For 3 unisons. Envelope 2 to the D tune. And FM from B. There's envelope 2 to it. Well, first we're gonna shape oscillator B. We're gonna use the saw around with the square wavetable. Besides that, we're gonna put this one up 7 semitones as well, to get a more harmonic feel, as we did earlier. Wavetable around here. Lower down the level quite a bit. Lower down the randomness, so it starts every time at the same point in the wavetable. No detunement as well. Now I'm gonna shape the filter. we're gonna be using a low 24 cutoff run here, envelope 2 to the cutoff, just to get a pluck sound, quite some drive, open it up a little bit more, and then shape the sound in the effects section with some hyperdimension, with the size all the way down, and the mix quite high. And that's on phaser. Just gonna just really put some more emphasis on the pluck sound. We're gonna drag the frequency a little bit down as well. Then some chorus. Some OTT to open up the pluck a little bit more. Then we're gonna add some reverb just to put it in a room. So the mix is gonna be quite high, but first add a low cut. Decay a little bit down, same for the size. And put the mix to around halfway. And that's some delay with a ping pong effect and a low cut. Then we're gonna make a difference between the left and the right ping pong. Some tube distortion. We're gonna route envelope 2 to the drive. I think the reverb is a bit too much, so let's lower it down. Then we're gonna add some more EQing. Boosting the higher frequencies. Just a little bit. And give the sound a low cut to make room for the bass line. And then the last part we're gonna add is the filter. Just like the previous filter. So envelope 2 to the cutoff, just to give some more control to the sound. So to add more punch to it, we're gonna add the envelope to it. A really short one, decay just around 16 milliseconds. Right to the master tune. Just get some more punch to the sound. And that's for the pluck sound, so together with the bass, it sounds like this. Let's put up the reverb a little bit more. So together in the song it sounds like this.
Or do you wanna stay?
And that's it for the video, so if you like the video please leave a like, and see more at the subscribe button. And I see y'all in the next videos.